Tom 93 AI stick.
But here, this is Francesca, no?
If you use my laptop, you have the full
We also
table.
have the list here, so we can just tell them now.
Huh?
Use the detector.
Yes, but maybe it's.
Okay, but this one is fine actually. It's correct. I can use this. Okay. So, which detector one? So the channel. Repeat. I use the detector naming.
Tom 93 AI stick.
You are remapping it. Okay.
I mean, I have the list here.
Okay. Heater.
So, yes, heater.
It's open now.
Okay, I connect.
Also, for the control room, I sent you the password to my laptop, so you can open it and find the full table.
I have it, and your password is not locked.
Okay.
Check now.
Closed.
It's closed.
Okay. And this was for MP.
Okay, so we can go to the next Giga module channel.
Take your time.
What do you want to connect?
Michele, can you check the heater of Tom 93C phone on?
Yes. Close.
Okay, wait.
Open. I see it fluctuating. Okay, now
Yes.
it's open.
I'm moving the pins. This is good. Okay, this means I found the, yes, because this were the pins before where you said open, open, open. It's fluctuating. This is good. Okay, then the cable works. Thank you. Good.
So we can move to the target.
In principle, we can move to the target, yes.
Okay, I come to your side.
Michele, can you keep looking on this channel?
Yes.
Okay.
You know where you to connect?
Yeah,
Connected.
yes. And get connected.
Here.
So this is the heater. Yes.
Now it's open. Okay.
You are moving.
Sorry?
No, Angie. Whatever you do, you. What?
No, the reading is oscillating.
Yes, because the pins
It's lying
are
on the
connected.
carousel.
Okay, sorry.
It's okay, we're not yet at the critical phase.
Show me to monitor.
I would like to connect bias first.
It's this cable.
Bias is that cable, and you know what to measure.